Hello people, this is Wonderful Visuals and this is Intro to Inshot. If you don't have Inshot, you can download from Play Store or App Store. Open your Inshot. Okay, Inshot, you click on video. Alright, you click on new. You choose your video, the video that you want to edit. Okay, so I'm going to be choosing this and then you click on check. You can see check button here. Alright, you click on check and then first thing first, you remove the Inshot watermark. Very important, so it makes your work to look professional. So you click on Inshot and you click on free remover. It will take you to watch few I think 15 seconds ads and then they will grant you your reward. Okay, so we are back now. You click on canvas. Canvas is the interface. This is the interface of your project. Okay, so now you click on canvas. Be sure to set it on fit. Okay, be on fit, then you check. All right, so first thing first is you click on, make sure if you want to work on your video, make sure to highlight your video. How do you highlight it? You click on video down here, this down, look at my cursor, you click or tap on it. So you can notice that immediately you tap on it, you can see the white, this white thing round about it, this white thing. If you play it, you'll see that the white has gone. When you pause it, you can click on it. Anything you're working on this project, be sure to highlight. Okay, so when you highlight it, it's giving the app signal that you want to work on the video. Okay, so now I will be talking about splitting, that is cutting your video. If there are parts you don't want in your video, how to cut it off. Okay, so now if I say, okay, let me listen to this video a little bit. If I don't want some parts from this video, what do? Immediately I get to the place, I'll pause it. Immediately I get to the place I do not like, I will pause it. And then what I want to do is I will highlight it, then click on split. Look for split. Look at it here. Then you split. Okay. Then you continue watching you continue watching to the spot you do not like. Immediately you get to the spot again, you pause it, then you highlight. What do? You split again. Meaning that I do not want from this spot to this spot. So I split the two. What do? I highlight that particular spot that I do not want and I click on delete. Let me take it again. I do not want a particular part. And if you made a mistake, you want to undo, you can make use of this button to undo. You see, undo split, right? Okay. So now I want to take it again. If there's a part in your video you do not like, you play it, then you pause at that particular spot. You highlight your work, you split. Then you continue playing to go through. Okay, I do not like this from this first spot to this spot. Now I do not like it. I want to cut it off. So you've already splitted the beginning, then you will split the ending part of the place you do not want. You split again. Then what do? You come to that spot which is between this particular spot in the middle, which you do not like. You click on delete. You delete it from your video. So you go, you watch your video, you still don't like other parts, you do the same. You highlight, you split the first part, you listen to it again, then to the end of the place you do not like, you split again, and then you click on that part you do not like, then you delete. Okay, you delete. That is how you split. That is how you cut your videos, those parts you do not want in your video. Okay, so let's move ahead to sound. If I do not like the sound that I am hearing, like I want to put background music. Like if you want to put music on your video, first thing first, you have to mute your video first. You have to mute it, right? So how do you mute? You can use this button, mute clip. You can use this button, mute clip, or you highlight your work, you go to volume. Okay, you reduce it to 0. Then you highlight this, you mark this double check. Okay, this double check to check. That means you are applying it to all the splits. You know we've already splitted it. That means you've cut your video to pieces. Okay, so now you're saying that the volume, now the low volume should be applied to all the videos that you've splitted, right? So you click on apply to all, right? Okay, then to put your audio, to put your music, you click on audio. Click on audio, click on music. Okay, then you click on my music to choose from your phone. Okay, so you choose music, then you click on use. All right, You click on use. Okay, maybe there's a part you really want to use in the audio. Maybe you don't want it to start from the beginning of the song. What do? You click on the sound. You see we have two projects here now. We have the main video, which is this, and the audio. Okay, then you highlight the audio, then you click on edit. You want to edit the audio. Okay, now if there's a part you want the song to start from, what do? What do? You bring, look at it, look at where I'm dragging, look at where I'm dragging. You will drag it to where you want. Okay, you keep dragging till you get to where you want. You see? Okay, then you click on check. Click on check, then you play to see your work, to see the sound, to hear the sound rather. Okay, so you will now move it to see if the song align with your video. But you can see in this video, my video is shorter, the sound is longer. Okay, what do? You highlight the audio, and then you split. You highlight, you bring it, you can see this long white this long white thing, right? You will bring the video there, your video, it will end there, then you click on the audio, then you will split. Okay, you will split, then you delete. So you can see that they are of the same length now. After doing that, you do what? You check. Right? Okay, so let me show you, if you want your audio, if you want to put audio, if you have a video and then there's a music in that video that you would like to use, right? You click on, okay, you click on, I removed the video, the audio, the former audio, I removed it so I can show you the new one. Okay, so you still click on audio, right? You go to, okay, still here, you delete. I want to delete this. Okay, so you click on music again. You know, the first one we click on my music, that's you want to put audio. Now you want from the video, from video on your phone. Look at it, extract audio from video, right? You click on it. It will bring you here to your video gallery. So what do? You choose the video you want, right? Okay, so you choose the video you want, then you click on, you check, right? Then you listen to it, you listen to the audio, you listen to the song, you can see, you can hear it. Okay, so you will do the same thing we did for the audio. So that is that about audio. So let's go to text. If you want to add text to your video, click on text. You can see text here. You click on text, then you just, this video is about Happy New Year. Okay, Happy New Year, right? You check. All right, so what you will first do is to, you can see that when you play your video, the Happy New Year doesn't go for long. Okay, it stops at some point. So what do? You click on the text, you click on, you highlight your text, you can see it here, you highlight it, then you drag it from that edge, from this edge, you drag it to the end of your video. Okay, drag it to the end of your video so that the text will appear throughout your video. You can use your hand, to move your text around. So to edit your text, you highlight it, then you click on edit. Okay, so to edit now, you look at it here, is to choose color. Choose color, the color of your text. Okay, then this color, there is border here. There is border. If you want to give it border, just keep your eye on the text, on the screen. You will see the border is becoming thicker. Okay, click on text here, text. You can choose any border from here. You can see any, look at it down here. You can choose any border of your choice, right? Then here, shadow. You're editing your text now. If you want to edit it, shadow. If you want it to have shadow, you can see. Keep your eye on the text on the screen. Okay, you can see. You can use this to, control the shadow. That is if you want. Another one is the glow. If you want it to glow, you can see. You move it. You move it to your desired spot. Okay, then let's move to label. Label, you can see, you can choose any format that you want. Okay, opacity is about transparency. How do you want your text to show? You see, it's fading. So depending on, you can use your finger to put it in your desired percentage. You can see the percentage here. Okay, then here is font. You can see it here. You can choose font of your choice. You can change the font. But me, I don't use border for my, okay, I don't use it. Okay, I do not like using it. All right, so let's go back to fonts. Font, you choose any font of your choice, any font at all, right? Here you come here. Here is if you the text size, font size. You can see. You can put it any size that you want. Here is a text spacing. Okay, text spacing, right? And down here is bold if you want it bold. Here if you want it italicized. Here if you want it underlined. Here is if you want it all capital letter throughout. Okay, here is a kind of if you want it to be curved. Okay, if you want it, but I don't want any of it, right? Then you go for none. This is none button. Okay, then make sure anything you're doing, you're checking it. Okay, you'll check it. All right, so let's play this. You can see, you can look at it. But if you don't want a background, if you don't want a background music on your music, you can leave your voice. Okay. Okay. So to download it, when you're done with your work, to download, you click on export here. Click on it. Make sure it's on 1080p. Okay. Then you click on the format should be MP4, right? You can see it's MP4, and this is the frame. Just keep it 30 is okay this way. Okay, so then you click on export, right? Export is converting now, so it will count down. After counting down to 100%, you will see your video in your gallery. So this is just introduction to InShot. In our main editing video, I will show you some more features to InShot, but basically this is the intro to just get familiar with InShot. Thank you.